Hi, I'm Sammy Ahmed with Contour Products, and this is the CPAP Max Pillow. I'm here with Becky Simmons, registered respiratory therapist with over 15 years in the home medical equipment industry, and we're here to talk about this pillow. So Becky, in your line of work with your CPAP patients, what are some of the obstacles that you see on a day-to-day basis with them in using their CPAP for CPAP therapy?
Well, we see a lot of, mask displacement. The mask comes off or slides over in the middle of the night, and then they have leakage into their eyes, which causes their eyes to become dry. They'll have dry mouth, a dry nose, sound issues, which will disturb their significant other while they're sleeping with the noise from the mask leakage. And then the hose torquing on the mask, further worsening the issue. So we're always looking for a good solution to that.
And that comfort probably is decreased by the temperature and the overheating of the actual mask and them being kind of warm at nighttime while they're sleeping, right?
Right. You have slippage from all of that.
Well, the CPAP Max is going to overcome all of those obstacles. For one, you can see there's a unique shape and design that actually has these pressure-free zones that are cut out of the pillow. What that's going to allow for is basically any patient with any size mask, full mask, nasal mask, mid-mask, will be able to sleep comfortably without that mask sliding and slipping that's going to cause that leakage.
Great.
It's also going to eliminate that over-tightening of the mask where you've got the lines left over on your face for a couple hours after you wake up. So one of the things we had talked about was head positioning with the CPAP Max pillow. The CPAP Max pillow is going to have those pressure-free design right around here, mandibular area down by the bottom for the jawline, and the temporal area right here around the forehead. What that's going to allow for is any individual who's sleeping on their side to be able to keep that open airway by keeping their head upright. On the occipital portion, you have a ridge and a groove here that allows that back sleeper to sleep comfortably and still keep that open airway. Being able to rotate and roll over left to right, as well as even stomach sleep with the support underneath of the chin on that angle as well.
Wow.
So it gives a good comfort base throughout the night, rolling over left or right for the pillow, so any position is going to help eliminate that obstacle for a CPAP patient.
Great.
So more on the head positioning with the CPAP Max pillow. What you have with the pillow initially is a 5-inch pillow with two different comfort sides. One is a 3D mesh cooling netting right here. You flip it over, and you've got a fiber-filled quilted side, and it gives you kind of more of that normal pillow sleeping feel. On the inside of the actual pillow is where you get the adjustable height. I'm sure you have a ton of patients that come in all shapes and sizes. Right. So if you open up on the inside, you can see how that adjustment is fairly easy. You have the 3 layers of memory foam, 2 inches of memory foam, 1 inch of high resiliency polyurethane foam, and then 2 inches of HR foam, all of which allows for that adjustable height. You can take the 1 inch out, and now you have a 4-inch pillow. You can take 2 inches out of the memory foam and have 3 inches left for a slimmer pillow if a patient needs that as well. So you kind of can adjust to all heights and shapes and sizes of that CPAP user and allow for a little bit more comfortable night's sleep while they're wearing that mask.
Great.
The other unique thing that you're going to see is 150 ventilation holes that are punctured from the front, through the middle, all the way through the back.
Wow.
What that allows for, mixed with our 3D Cool Mesh technology, is the ability to dissipate temperature and moisture. So I'm sure one of those obstacles and issues you hear from your CPAP patients are, it's too hot at night, I'm too sweaty, probably something you've heard before?
Oh, definitely. The mask slips when their face becomes sweaty, and then, of course, they're awake. No one can sleep when they're hot like that.
Just want to rip the mask right off.
Right.
So another feature with the CPAP Max pillow that helps overcome some of those obstacles you stated before is our actual hose tether. The hose tether has a Velcro grip around the end of it that'll wrap around the tubing and leave a short diameter around the pillow, which allows the patient to roll left to right, as we had stated before as well, for a more comfortable night's sleep.
Okay.
The other thing it eliminates is hose drop. You're not going to have the hose yank on the mask, causing that mask leakage. You're also not going to have the tubing that's going to get tangled around yourself or a significant other. I'm sure issues that you've heard before.
Right, definitely.
We also have our CPAP Standard pillow, which is our entry-level CPAP pillow. Works with all the masks that the CPAP Max does as well, all of them on the market. It's also going to be a more economical pillow. It's going to have a lot of the same benefits that the CPAP Max does as well. Some of those being the pressure-free zones here that are cut out for that mask fitting and eliminates that mask sliding, same way that the CPAP Max does, as well as it eliminates the dry eye, the dry nose. You also have some ear release portions here that actually relieve that portion of your ear and allow a better fit to the actual pillow. There's also the hose tether, which we spoke about, where you can Velcro around to the tubing. It allows that diameter from left to right so that the individual can roll over from right to sleep on their back to the left. And then on top of that, eliminates that tangling and the hose drop that you'll get as well throughout the course of the night.
Very good.
Attention CPAP users. Does your mask push against your pillow? Do you have trouble finding a comfortable position? Are you tired of mask leaks, pain, and sleepless nights? Leave those restless nights in the past and pamper yourself with the CPAP Max Pillow. It's specifically designed for CPAP users to improve comfort, reduce leaks, sleep better, and get more hours of therapy. CPAP Max features pressure-free zones that virtually eliminate mask discomfort. Airflow foam keeps your head cool and dry, and a double-sided sleep design so you can choose your comfort. Forget over-tightening your mask and causing painful red marks. These pressure-free zones work with every mask style to prevent mask interference, so you wake up feeling rested and refreshed. The airflow foam and 3D mesh fabric combined allow for a cool, dry sleeping surface, keeping you comfortable all night long. The exclusive 2-in-1 design gives you the choice of plush fiberfill or luxurious space-age memory foam comfort. And this curved neck support ensures a comfortable night's sleep for back, side, and stomach sleepers. The CPAP Max Pillow's custom-molded orthopedic memory foam cradles your head, keeping you and your CPAP mask in the ideal sleeping position. Never before has one pillow offered so many benefits to so many CPAP users. Make mask shifting, leaks, and pressure a thing of the past and take your comfort to the max with CPAP Max. As a special bonus, we now include this hose tether. It keeps your hose from falling off the bed and pulling on your mask. Buy your CPAP Max Pillow here today. You'll sleep better and feel better starting tonight.